KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will talk about Gradle projects and tasks. Yeah, so let's start. Guys, in Gradle, you need to keep in mind in Gradle, everything is either project or task. Yeah, so let's try to understand what is Gradle task and Gradle project. Yeah. So when we talk about a Gradle task, a task is a single unit of work that a build performs, right? So it's basically a single unit of work that basically performs some build operation. Yeah, these tasks can be compiling classes, creating a jar, generating Java docs, or you can say publishing some archives to repository and many more. Yeah, so these are the basically example of Gradle task. Gradle task also can be defined as a single atomic piece of work for a build process. I hope you understood what is Gradle task. Now let's move ahead and try to understand what is Gradle project. In Gradle, a project can be a library jar or a web application. It may also serve a distribution zip which is assembled from the jars produced by the other projects or application, right? So these are the basically an example of a project like creating a library jar, web application, uh, creating a distribution zip, or assemble from the jars produced by some other projects, right? That is nothing but distribution zips. Now, project could be deploying our application to test or prod environments. Each project in Gradle is made up of one or more tasks. So basically, project is nothing but a collection of tasks also, you can see that, yeah. Now, when we talk about the types of tasks, there are two types of tasks in Gradle. First, default task or pre-existing type task, you can say that. And second is the custom task. So let's try to understand. When we talk about the default tasks are predefined tasks of Gradle. You can list the default task by running the Gradle task command, like just you need to open the command prompt and unity type. If you have set you have done the setting for Gradle, right? Like you have already done with the setting like Gradle home or Gradle path in environment variable, then directly you can open the command prompt and type Gradle tasks. So this will list out all the pre-existing Gradle tasks. You can also use the command Gradle task / all. This will list out all the Gradle task, but if you use this command, this will give you the some more tasks, right? So let me show you. So here is the command prompt, and here I'm going to write Gradle tasks, right? So this will list out all the Gradle tasks, right? And this will give you the list of Gradle tasks with categories, like if build setup task, these are the build setup tasks, then help task, these are the category of help tasks. But here also Gradle is suggesting you, if you use this command for more details, you can use this command. So I'm going to use this guy, and let's issue this command. Then at this time we'll get little more task which comes in the other task, right? Now let's move ahead and let's talk about the custom task, right? Gradle allows us to create custom task. Gradle allows to basically create you to task, and that these tasks are called custom tasks, right? Custom tasks are user defined tasks that are built to perform some specific task or work, right? So how we can define custom tasks? First of all, you need to use task keyword, and afterwards you need to specify task name, and then you can specify group description and do first and do last. These are the enclosures, right? Or block in Gradle. There you can specify a code for execution, right? So that's the way to define custom task in Gradle. So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed on this video, and big thank you for watching this video.